Hi, this is the MLK Senior Center in Las Vegas, Nevada, and today we're going to teach you how to download Zoom into your computer or laptop. First thing we want to look at are browsers. On your computer or your laptop, you will find two icons. One will be the Chrome icon, Google Chrome, which is a browser, and the Internet Explorer, which is a browser. The one we will be using is Google Chrome. Once we open Google Chrome, in the address component at the top of the page, we will type in zoom.us/download. Once you click the Google Chrome icon at the bottom of the page or somewhere on your screen where you'll find the icon, it will open the browser. The browser will open to a page similar to this, but it will always say Google. That way you'll know that it's Google Chrome. The next thing we want to do is type in what we said earlier, which are the words zoom.us/download. I'll show you this again in a minute. We type that in the address panel. Type in zoom.us/download. Okay. Once you've typed that in, what you want to do is hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Once you hit the Enter key on your keyboard, it will bring you to this page. This is the download center for Zoom. Now, the one that we want to click is the Zoom client for meetings. Just click that button there, and it will download the execution software. Now, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, it's loading now. Now that the package has been downloaded into your browser, you simply click on the Zoom installer, which is what has just downloaded into your browser. Just click it once, and it should begin to activate automatically. It's initializing. Now it's installing. I only clicked one button, one time, and it's doing this. It is still installing. Now you see at the bottom of your screen, there's a blue camera, a white camera within a blue background. You click on that, and it opens this panel. The panel says join a meeting. Yes, we do want to join a meeting. So we'll go ahead and click Join a Meeting, and it opens up to the ID page, the membership or the meeting ID page. Once it's open to the meeting ID page, we type in, of course, the ID. Now, this is just practice. Now, as you were typing it in, you should see down at the bottom a button that says join. Initially, the button was grayed out. Once you put in the information or the ID information, it highlighted the join button. Okay, so now you can click join. Well, before we do that, make sure you do not click either one of these buttons here. Okay, because if you click this one that says do not connect audio, you won't be able to hear anything or say anything. If you say turn off my video, nobody will be able to see you. So leave those two buttons alone. The only one you want to do is remember my name for future meetings. And that's fine. And then you can type your name in here where it says your name. Once you've done that, go ahead and click join, and it'll pull up a password panel. And if your caps lock is on, it'll tell you this. So you need to click the caps lock button if your cap lock button is on. Okay, and that simply disappears. Cap lock button is found on the left hand side of your keyboard. Now you type in the password. I'll see down here at the bottom it's grayed out. Now we type in the password, which is 6 digits. 281595. Now this will be sent to you in an email if it changes. This is the password for now, and this is also the meeting ID for now. If it changes, we will send you send the information to you in an email so that you can go ahead and be set up and have the necessary information you need in order to log in. Now you see down at the bottom of the page it says join meeting. So we go ahead and click the join meeting button. Now that's me. Here it says join with video. You do want to join with video. Do not click join without video, because if you do, nobody will be able to see you. Now go ahead and click join with video. Okay, now the next thing that it'll say, don't go too fast. The next thing that it'll say is join with computer audio. Go ahead and click that button. You can test the speakers and all of that first if you want to, but I would just go ahead and click join with computer audio. Okay, now you're set up. You can see me and I can see you, and you're ready to roll. There's nothing else you need to do. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Now, for instance, if you're one other thing, if your video does not show up, there's a button here that says stop video. Okay, I know it says stop video because I'm on. If it doesn't say stop video, then go ahead and click that button off, then click it right back on, and your video will come on screen. All right, thank you very much, and you all have a great day. It's always a great day at MLK. And finally, if for some reason the Zoom icon does not show up on your front page, this is how you get to it. Okay, and you scroll it all the way down to the bottom where Zoom is. Go ahead and open up the Zoom folder just by clicking this little arrow. Right click on Zoom, right click, okay, and it pulls up this tab. You don't want to pin it to start. You want to pin it to the taskbar if you're going to use it on a regular basis. Go ahead and click pin to taskbar. Now, as you see right here, it shows up. So anytime you need to use Zoom, just click this button right here, and it'll bring up this.